Good morning, Kinders. Happy Wednesday. It's April 15th, which means we are already halfway through the month of April and almost to May and the end of school. So let's get going and start the day. You have 6 tasks, 4 of them in language arts and 2 in math today. Your first one is handwriting. So you're going to get your name here at the top like always. And here's what your sentence says today. My handwriting improves by the day. That means every day your handwriting should be getting better. Write it once in print and once in cursive. And then here are our sight words for today. My, M-Y, by, B-Y, and D-A-Y says day. The A-Y says A. So these are the 3 words I want you to practice today. See if you can look at them and know what they are without sounding them out. That's job 1. Job 2 today is your ick words. You have to write them in print, cursive, print. So let's look at what they are. Remember, CH says ch, ch, chick, and then p, p, pick, k, k, kick, st, st, stick, and l, l, lick. So you need to write them either nicely next to my words or underneath my words. And then go back and color the I-C-K because that's the same in every single word. Ick, ick, ick. That's your second job. Your third job is something fun. And we're going to talk about opposites today. And in English, opposites have a special name, and that's antonym. Can you say that? Antonym. Okay. Antonyms just mean 2 things that are opposite. So today what you're going to do is take a piece of paper, fold it in half the long way. So you get a nice skinny set of rectangles, like this. Okay? Then you're going to take scissors, and you get to choose to do 2 or 3 of these today. Okay, so if you're doing 2, you want to cut right here up the middle. If you're doing 3, you're going to cut here and here, 2 cuts. I think you should do 2, but if you want to challenge yourself and do 3, you can. So watch what I'm doing. I'm cutting it in half, but only on the top part of my paper. You see that? Now it folds. So I cut just the top, okay? And we're going to think of things that are opposites. So let's think. If I say the opposite of big, what's the opposite of big? The antonym for big is little. So here's what you would do. Maybe you would draw a giant skyscraper. So I've got my skyscraper here. The start of it. I can put a bunch of windows. You can draw little people in there if you want. Okay, and then you're going to write big next to that. So here is big. Now, underneath big, right here, we want to draw something that's little. So maybe I'm going to draw a teeny tiny little ant. Since we drew that in our rainforest yesterday, we can draw it today. Okay? Here's my ant. Teeny guy. And then I will sound out little. So here are my antonyms. Big is the opposite or the antonym of little. So there's some. Now let's think what we could put here. Boy, girl. On, off. Stop, go. Dark, light. Sun, what would be the opposite of the sun? Oh, the moon. Okay, so you have lots of options. You need to pick one more pair and put one on the top and one on the bottom. So if I wanted to say stop, I could draw a stop sign. And if I wanted to say go, maybe I could draw a green light. If I wanted to say on, I could show a light bulb that's turned on. And then if I want to show off, I could show a room that's in the dark at my house. Okay, so 2 sets of antonyms. You can copy big and little if you want, and then make up one more of your own. That's your 3rd job. Your 4th job is reading. Okay. Your 5th job is a math page today, and this should be another quick guy. And then we have one more project for math. So you put your name at the top, and then you're going to go ahead and do these story problems. So it sounds like this. Alex had 4 apples. Draw the apples. Easy peasy. Oh, he ate 1 apple. So are we going to draw 1 more or cross 1 out? Cross it out. Good. So you go ahead and draw 4, cross 1 out, and then it says how many apples are left. And remember, we write the equation. So we go 4 minus 1. So there I write it nicely underneath. then I need to say how many are left, and it should be 3. Okay? 4 minus 1 equals 3. Now let's look at the other ones. The next one says Tanisha had 6 balls. So you need to draw 6 balls. They can be any kind of balls you want. Soccer balls, basketballs, tennis balls, footballs, okay? 1 ball rolled away. Cross out the ball that rolled away. So you're going to draw 6, cross out 1, and then you write your equation. 6 minus 1 equals, write the answer. The last one says Juan had 5 candies. Draw the candies. He gave away 2 candies. So draw 5, and now you have to cross out 2. You say 5 minus 2 and write how much that equals. On the back, just like we've been practicing, is domino addition, but look, this is doubles. It's the same number 2 times. So this is 1 plus 1, and that equals 2. Here's 2 plus 2, and that equals 4. Okay? So you have 6 doubles facts to do. That should be super speedy quick. Then your last job is more story problems. So you have 3 pages that actually look like this, and it has all the kinders' names in it. So let's read the first one. It says, Catherine had 2 horses. Now we know Mrs. K is not the best at horses. So I'm just going to draw quick little horse heads. Okay? They look more like cow heads. So there's 2 horses, and then it says she got 3 more horses. And now we have to say how many horses she has all together. So here's my picture, 2 and 3. And over here on the line, I'm going to write my equation. 2 plus 3 equals, count them up, 5. Okay? So if you look, the next one talks about Edith and her ducks. And then Evie and ballerinas. And then Lucia making paintings. Mackenzie with baby dolls. Maddie with stuffed animals, and Will with trucks. So you need to do 1 problem for each kid. Now, you need to pay close attention because some kids have some and get some more, so that means plus, and some kids have some, and some of them get lost or given away, so you need to do minus, okay? So you can have your problems, your parents read you those problems. There's 7 of them, but you should be able to do them easy peasy with all your friends' names from school. Okay, let's quickly go through our jobs one more time. First job is handwriting. Second job, your ick words, color the ick. Third job is your antonyms, your opposites, 2 or 3 pairs of those. Your 4th job is reading. Your 5th job is your math page with dominoes on the back. And then your 6th job is doing story problems with your friends' names. All right, there are your tasks for today. I hope you have a great day. I love you, God bless you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.